Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. I've been assured by Tom the microphone is on. I'm back with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. You know what's funny is I just watched Tom double-check the mic after I said that during this video, which we're going to leave in here. Here we are with another spring release from our good friends at Shoei Helmets. This is another version of the Shoei X15 DeGiro helmet. Super similar, just block it out a little bit different with the colors. Retail on this helmet is $10.99. I've installed a dark smoke screen on the shield for effect only. It ships with a clear. The dark is sold separately. Give you a nice 360. Love the graphic. I like the other color blocking. I like this. It looks great, man. This is a good looking graphic from our friends at Shoei. In a minute here, I'm going to show you all the different value adds that this helmet comes with. Ships with the clear screen, a nice padded helmet bag. We've got a chin curtain, we've got breath deflector. We have a fog-free Pinlock Evo insert that installs right on the shield. These are super effective, man. Max spent multiple seasons racing in the Shoei X14 and 15. Those pin locks, they do a great job. You know, there at Moto America, we had a lot of wet weather last year. He had those in his helmet, and he never had an issue. Shoei makes a great product. If you've watched any of my helmet reviews over the years, I've always said that that last little bit of quality, when you compare them to the other premium manufacturers, they just have that last little bit more dialed, man. And here's another example of that. This is the third time I've done this today. Tom's like, really, you're going to show him the fucking box again? Yes, I'm going to show you the fucking box again. So the cardboard's better quality than all the other brands that I've dealt with, basically. And look what they've done. They have essentially built an EPS system to protect the helmet during shipping to ensure the end user gets their helmet without like a broken rear spoiler or just overall damage to the helmet. That, my friend, yes, Tom, I'm going to say this again too, is the Shoei difference.